You've probably heard the expression that practice makes perfect. Well, what is perfect? Does it even exist? Perfection can sometimes get in the way of getting things done. If something doesn't turn out exactly how you imagined, then it can be easy to focus on the things that didn't turn out like you had envisioned, to critique your ability and lose confidence. Think of a time where you were your own worst critic. How did you overcome this? You see, creators have great taste. We know amazing work when we see it. But when you first start out and your ability doesn't quite meet your taste, that can be discouraging. It doesn't feel very good. At this point, it can feel easy to give up, to focus on the negatives. But the only way your ability will catch up with your taste is to keep going, to persevere, to push through the negative thoughts, learn from what isn't working, and keep creating. The best things in life take time to create. So set yourself up for success by writing down your goals, setting yourself to a deadline and sticking to a plan. By finishing your projects, you're going to learn from both your achievements and your mistakes. You'll learn so much along the way compared to what you have to show at the end. By embracing imperfection, you might just create something that you didn't even imagine when you started. Sometimes you have to get something wrong a few times to know how to get it right. So keep going and never give up.